In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Craigslist account. To begin, the first thing you need to do is open your preferred search engine and look for Craigslist login. From the results page, select the official Craigslist website link so you are taken directly to the correct platform. Once the site loads, many users may not immediately notice the sign-in option because of the layout of the homepage. However, on the top right corner of the page, you will find the option labeled My Account. Click on this to proceed to the login section. After clicking My Account, you will be redirected to the sign-in page. Here, you will need to enter either your email address or your Craigslist username, depending on how your account was originally created. Then, enter your password carefully to avoid any mistakes. Once both details are filled in, click the Login button. If the information is correct, you will successfully access your account. If there is any error in the details, you will not be able to sign in, so it is important to double-check everything before submitting. If you happen to forget your password, there is an option available to recover it. You can select the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions provided to reset your login credentials securely. Additionally, if you do not yet have an account, you can create one directly from this page by entering your email address and selecting the option to create an account. A new account will then be set up using that email. Once logged in, you will have full access to your Craigslist account, where you can manage listings, browse posts, and interact with other users on the platform. Always make sure your login details are accurate and keep your password secure to avoid access issues in the future. Additionally, it is important to ensure you are using the official Craigslist website and not a third-party page, as this helps protect your account information. Make sure your internet connection is stable while logging in, and double-check that your password is entered with correct capitalization since passwords are case-sensitive. Taking a moment to verify your details can prevent unnecessary login errors and save time during the sign-in process overall. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,